Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today, I'm going to do the daily technical analysis update of gold and silver. We'll get in here. I'll give you my financial opinion, and I'll let you know kind of what I'm seeing in the charts. So here we go. This is the dollar. The dollar, again, I think long-term will head lower. I think this is a triple top, one top, two top, three top, none. And we'll pull on back from here. We've got a nice good pullback. We tried getting a little bit of a rally past couple days, and we've sold off today. Why do I think the dollar is going to decline? It's inflationary, and I think looking at some of these other currencies, I think their real estate markets aren't as strong as ours, and I know that's a debatable thing. It seems like everybody's jumping on the housing's in a bubble camp, but I still am in the mix of the bull camp. And we have more to run. All these people are premature housing bubble related. It's all premature. Anyway, the 10-year yield moving down a little bit, but we've broken to the upside of this declining or falling wedge. That one looks good. The CRB index moving higher. That looks fantastic. We've broken out of this pattern. Looks like it wants to run. Gold moving higher and finishing strong. I like this kind of V-shaped bottom that it's doing. It looks really good. We're sitting on top of a pattern. Momentum is kicking to the upside. What this is signaling that inflation is still coming. That's why gold is going higher. The deflationists are wrong. Maybe they've got it all wrong. That's what I think. Silver moving on higher. It's bouncing off its support. We've got this nice big pattern that broke to the upside, had a nice good long consolidation. We're starting to move higher, and hopefully this is, the buyers come in and they continue the move. And we're seeing it across all of them. Platinum's breaking out of its pattern here. Looking good, looking strong. We could see a big move in platinum, and if platinum is outperforming gold, we are in an inflationary environment. That's what it means. The deflationists are most likely wrong. The housing bubble top people are probably wrong if we have this alignment in the gold market. Looking at the XE to gold ratio, moving on higher. The miners are going to outperform gold here, it looks like. And if we can get enough traction to break this downtrend, this white line that I've drawn in here, that's a downtrend line. We hit it, we tapped up on it recently, and we came on back. If we can break out of here, we're going to see some amazing things happen in the gold and silver mining companies. Not just the miners, the royalty companies, just everything gold, silver related. And when you start looking at some of these mining companies, Karora Resources, let's dive into the dailies. That looks like we got nice, good buying pressure. Is this pullback done yet? We'll find out here shortly. But that's looking better. EXK, nice big move. We came all the way down, gave some people a really good buying opportunity at $3-ish. And now we're coming back up, and we're at $4 already. That looks really good for a move higher. Buying pressure came in. It looks sustained. I mean, it finished strong, I should say. And we should be buying off these support levels. Fortuna Silver Mines, moving on higher, looking fantastic. SilJ moving on higher, closing strong, looking fantastic. And we bounced off this support line. This is a long-term support line. You buy off support lines. Now, will this hold and break higher? That's yet to be seen, but that's where I usually accumulate. GDX moving on higher. That one's looking good. I came down and gave you a fantastic buying opportunity at like $30-ish, and now we're moving back up. Looking at MMNGF, nice big move. We're seeing the move across all of the precious metals, small caps, medium caps, large caps. It's hitting everything. This is an explorer here, but looking good. Koya Resources moving up higher. That one looks good as well. Discovery Silver getting a 14% bump today. What I have done here is probably buy off this support level. 91 cents was a buying opportunity for Discovery Silver. AG moving on up, looking good. A little bit larger silver company, mining company. Newmont coming up off its support line, looking good. Mag Silver hitting it hard, coming back up, trying to get above this support resistance area. but it looks good. Nice, good buying opportunity at this bullish engulfing pattern there. That's the spot to be looking. AUY moving on higher above support / resistance. Resistance coming back up, support as you come back down. Impact Silver getting some explosive moves to it. That one's looking good. Aftermath Silver getting a little bit of buying pressure. This one is way down there, and up to you. It's a smaller silver company, 23 million market cap. Arcana Silver is starting to rocket higher, guys. Is this the slingshot pattern? I actually think so. Up to you on what you want to do with it. It's come down, and now we're slingshotting higher. We've got PLG getting a little nice move up higher. Again, looks good here. Nice big volume too coming on up. Looks like it wants to move higher. Simini Stillwater still moving on up, looking good. The royalty company, Sandstorm Gold, boosting higher, looking good. This is one that I was talking about on the website this weekend. Franco-Nevada, another one that's moving higher, looking good. Solid moves there. The smaller royalty companies really starting to put the pressure on. People are coming in here. They're buying things up. We're starting to break patterns. Looking solid. Tuden Resources, another small one. I did some crazy stuff early in the market, but ended up 15%. Wheaton Precious Metals heading higher, looking fantastic. Gold Royalty doing maybe a double bottom here, perhaps. Getting a good bid today. Metallo Royalty killing it today. Nice big update, 12.7%. Mavericks Metals heading higher. It looks like we're starting to break all of these resistance support areas. Resistance coming down. Here's our support there. Resistance coming back up, and we're kind of breaking through everything. Royal Gold heading higher today. That's looking better. The Cisco Gold Royalty heading higher by 5% using this resistance line and slicing through it. Nice, good, strong support with that white line going across. And then we've got Altius Minerals, another one that is rocketing higher. Again, I liked it down in this general vicinity. That was one on the website that I was telling people about, if you wanted to know. But everything's looking good in the precious metal sector. It looks really strong, guys. And I really do like it. I think it looks solid across the board. I like platinum the best. You know my opinions on platinum. I've been buying the physical quite immensely, and I think we'll see a big move here. Fingers crossed. Buyers, keep coming in. Again, I don't make short-term predictions. If it doesn't work out that way, I'm just holding on. Market conditions are good. I think the inflationary pressures are still persistent, and it doesn't mean that there'll be greater inflationary pressures. It just means they'll be elevated and high. And then interest rates will most likely continue to move higher, and money's going to start to rotate. It'll rotate out of bonds. It'll rotate. It could rotate out of stocks as well. It depends on what the overall market sentiment is and kind of what people think. But money's going to rotate over, and it's going to, the commodity sector and precious metal sector is going to get a bid here. So it's looking good. And I'm going to continue to be long and accumulate in those that I think are the best deals. So that's what I've got for today. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Subscribe to the website, Platinum Membership, if you guys are interested. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.